गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने सरफेस टू फिल्म थ्योरी हमने कंप्लीट करी थी। और जब लास्ट लेक्चर मैंने फिनिश किया था तो उस वक्त मैंने आप लोगों को एक टास्क दिया था कि हम लोग जो ये इंडिविजुअल मास ट्रांसफ़र कोफिशिएंट है फॉर द लिक्विड एंड गैस फिल्म एंड ओवरऑल मास ट्रांसफ़र कोफिशिएंट जो है फॉर द liquid phase and the gas phase, we have to derive two derivations related to that. So in today's lecture I am here to derive those relation. The first relation is the 1 upon kog equal to 1 upon kg plus capital H by KL. I am here, मैं एक बार repeat कर देता हूँ. That is the kog is the overall mass transfer coefficient based on the gas phase. Kg is the individual gas film mass transfer coefficient, and KL is the individual liquid film mass transfer coefficient. So according to the relation, we know that Na equal to KOG bracket PA minus PA star, where PA star is the partial pressure of the gas phase which is in equilibrium with the liquid phase. So we rearrange this equation in from which we get the first point, that is 1 upon KOG equal to PA minus PA star upon Na. Now 1 upon KOG equal to PA minus PA star plus PAI minus PAI, where PAI is the partial pressure of the gas at the surface. We are adding this term and subtracting this term. This is because we are separating these fractions, like PA minus PI is separate and PAI minus PA asterisk is different section. So 1 upon KEG is PA minus PAI upon Na plus PAI minus PA asterisk upon Na. Now PAI and PA can be converted into the concentration form. So 1 upon KOG equal to PA minus PAI upon Na plus capital H CAI minus H CA, where CAI is the concentration of the liquid at the interface. Okay, now we have common here 1 upon KEG PA minus PI upon Na plus capital H is common, CAI minus CA upon Na. Now the final relation is, we know that after rearranging all these equations, we know that Na equal to KL bracket CA minus CAI minus CA. So the term capital H upon capital H into CAI minus CA divided by Na can be written as 1 upon KL. So this term is changed to H upon KL. Now again the term PA minus PI upon Na, we know that Na equal to kg bracket PA minus PAI. So the term PA minus PAI upon Na can be written as the 1 upon kg. So this is the derivation of the for the overall mass transfer coefficient based on gas phases. Now the second derivation is this one. Second derivation is related to overall mass transfer coefficient based on the liquid phase, and here equal to 1 upon H kg plus 1 upon KL. We have to prove that the relation of overall heat transfer coefficient with the individual heat transfer coefficient. Now again, in the previous lecture I shows the four relation with you. In one of the four relations, Na equal to KOL bracket CA asterisk minus CA. This is the relation for the overall heat transfer coefficient and the flux. So 1 upon KOL may be written as CA asterisk minus CA upon Na. Now again add the term CAI and subtract the term CAI from this equation. So CA asterisk minus CA plus CAI minus CAI. Okay, then 1 upon KL and इनको सेगमेंट में डिवाइड कर दीजिए, सी एस्ट्रिक माइनस CAI upon capital Na plus CAI minus CA upon capital Na. Now again, as per the previous derivation, CA asterisk can be written as the PA by H and CAI can be written as the PAI upon H. So we write over here plus CA minus CA upon Na. Now convert this first term PAI minus PAI Na and this is bracket H. ये bracket थोड़ा गलत लगा हुआ है, ये PA minus I के बाद ये close हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Now CA minus CA plus upon N. Now convert these relation to individual mass transfer coefficient. So 1 upon H upon kg plus 1 upon kl. So what is the basic theory behind these derivations? Actually we have four relations. Two relations are flux relations are from the individual gas coefficients and liquid coefficient, and two are the relation for the overall heat transfer coefficient on the gas phase, based on the gas phase or based on the liquid phase. So we have to only rearrange these relations and establish a relation between overall heat transfer coefficient and a mass transfer on the individual mass transfer coefficient. These two derivation are very important, so please go through it, and if there is any problem, then feel free to contact me. Thank you beta. Thank you very much.